वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। सफलता की दिशा की पहली मंजिल पार करके आप दूसरी मंजिल की दिशा में पहला कदम रखने जा रहे हैं, है ना? हमारे और आपके इंग्लिश गुरु की तरफ से सेट बुक में प्रवेश करने के लिए आप सभी को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
We wish you success.
सेट बुक के इस चरण में हम अपनी पसंद बताना और दूसरों की पसंद नापसंद के बारे में जानना सीखेंगे।
We should try and show others what they like and dislike as well as what we like and dislike.
तो चलिए पसंद नापसंद की बातचीत सीखने के लिए एक क्लासरूम में चलते हैं।
Good morning.
Good morning. Today we would like to share with each other our likes and dislikes. Are you ready? Every student will stand up and tell his name first. After that, he or she will tell us what he or she likes. Okay. First of all, Mohan, let us know what do you like?
Hello, I am Mohan. I like playing football.
My name is Sarla. I like watching movies.
I am John. I like reading poetry.
My name is Jesse. I like getting wet in rains.
I am Radha. I like listening to classical music.
My name is Pinto. I like traveling by air.
I am Asif. I like mixing with people. I also like going for a morning walk.
I'm Asif's sister Rihanna. I like cooking food, but I don't like anybody telling lies.
My name is Anurag. I like going to the park, but I don't like people who waste their valuable time in playing cards.
I am Anuradha. I like knitting, but I don't like waiting in queue.
My name is Pramod. I like going to gym, but I don't like boys using gutka pouch.
आप जानते हैं इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन यानी अंग्रेजी वार्तालाप में हैज और हैव के प्रयोग का विशेष स्थान है। आपको भी बेहतर वार्तालाप के लिए इस चरण में हैज और हैव का प्रयोग सीखना है। आइए देखते हैं बैंक मैनेजर और उनके कस्टमर के बीच में हुई इस बातचीत को।
Excuse me, may I have a word with the manager of this bank?
Please go to that cabin. He's there.
May I come in, sir?
Sure. Please have a seat.
I want to apply for a home loan in your bank.
Do you have an account here?
Yes, I have a savings account and some fixed deposit with your bank.
How much amount is there as balance in your account?
I have rupees 20,000 in my savings and rupees 1 lakh as 50.
Okay. What other assets you have?
My wife is also an earning member of our family. She has a car also.
I mean, how much immovable property does your family have?
My son has 2 acres of agricultural land and my mother also has a plot in the residential area.
I hope you have all the documents ready with you.
Yes, and I may show them if your officer has time to look at and check.
Mr. Sharma, please help this gentleman in completing the forms. He has to apply for a home loan.
Please come here. May I know your name?
Yes, my name is Hitesh Verma. I am working with a very big transport company. It has 20 luxury buses, 34 other vehicles and 12 loading trucks too.
We are not interested in what your company has. We want to know your personal property.
I have no objection. Please make it fast. We have a family function today.
No problem. Do you have a problem coming tomorrow? Boss has a meeting right now.
Don't you have extra forms? My son has a friend who has complete knowledge in this regard.
Oh, sure. Here is a set. It has 20 forms.
Thanks.
हैज और हैव का अर्थ होता है अथवा पास है। उदाहरण के लिए शी हैज अ पेट डॉग, उसके पास एक पालतू कुत्ता है। ही हैज नो ब्रदर। वर्तमान काल में ही, शी, इट के साथ हैज का प्रयोग किया जाता है और आई, वी, यू और बहुवचन के साथ हैव का प्रयोग किया जाता है। तैयार हो जाइए दोस्तों, आज आपको बस स्टैंड जाना है और वहां से बहुत सारी जानकारियां भी लेनी है। आपके इंग्लिश गुरु चाहते हैं कि आज आप वहां बातचीत अंग्रेजी में ही करें। अलग अलग अवसरों पर बस स्टैंड पर किस प्रकार की बातचीत होगी, ये आप इन दृश्यों में देखिए।
Excuse me, can you help me?
Gladly. What can I do for you?
Where's the reservation counter?
Go to the second door on the right.
Thank you for the help.
That's all right.
चलिए देखते हैं रिजर्वेशन काउंटर पर किस तरह की बातचीत होती है।
May I have a form, please?
Yes, here it is.
Could I use your pen?
Sorry, you can ask somebody in queue.
Can I borrow your pen, please?
No problem, here it is.
बस में आप अपने सहयात्री से कुछ इस तरह से बात कर सकते हैं।
Can I have a seat here?
You may, but it is reserved for Mr. Suresh.
I'm Suresh. Thank you. Is the bus on time?
They have announced that it is late by 30 minutes.
What time does it reach Delhi?
6:40 in the morning, provided it's on time.
Congratulations friends, आप बड़ी तेजी से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीख रहे हैं। जीवन में ऐसे कई मौके आते हैं जब आप किसी और को उसकी सफलता के विषय में बधाई देना चाहते हैं या अपनी सफलता के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं। इस तरह की बातचीत कैसे की जाती है, इसे दिखाने और समझाने के लिए मैं आपको ले चलती हूँ एक पार्टी में। यहाँ हो रही वार्तालाप को ध्यान से सुनिए।
Congratulations on your promotion, Mr. Ravi.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gupta. Welcome. I will ask my wife to receive Mrs. Gupta.
Don't bother. I will ask her to wait. Is Mr. Sharma around?
Yes. My son will request him to meet you.
Thank you. I will search him myself. Please take care of other guests.
Shall I carry your bag for you, sir?
Thank you. Will you show me the way to the hall?
Sure, sir. Will you please come this way?
Hello, Ravi. You look awfully busy. Shall I ask somebody to help you?
Thanks. I will do it myself.
Will you ask Sunita to sing a song in the party?
Sure. I will ask her to sing a song.
Shall I offer you some cold drinks, madam?
I have already taken enough. Thanks.
Hello, Seema. Long time no see.
Yes, I was confined to bed due to illness.
Oh, I see. Shall I ask Dr. Prakash to visit you?
No thanks. I've already met Dr. Joshi.
I will ask the waiter. He will get some soup for you.
Okay, Mr. Ravi. Thanks. The food was nice. May I take your leave now?
Thanks for coming. Shall I ask my driver to drop you?
No thanks. I have my car.
आज आप एक शिक्षक और छात्र के पिता के बीच में बातचीत सुनिए। बेटे को लेकर पिता की बड़ी उम्मीदें हैं और वे चाहते हैं कि शिक्षक बेटे को कुछ इस तरह पढ़ाए कि वो उनकी उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरे। आइए सुनते हैं इस बातचीत को।
So you are the tutor. How is Ankur doing in studies?
He is doing well, sir. You need not worry.
Please make him work hard. Don't let him play. I often see him playing.
Sir, to tell the truth, playing is equally important for him.
I wish to see him in merit list this year. That's why I asked you to do so.
I did not permit him to play more than an hour. Did he request you to bring a dictionary?
No, he didn't ask me to buy one.
Sir, please forgive him. He might have forgotten. To err is human.
Okay.
I wish him to top the class in maths too. So I advised him not to celebrate holiday on Sunday.
His mother was worried about his health.
Please ask her not to worry. I never tell my students to carry burden or tension.
Let's hope and pray for him to gain a good position in exams.
दोस्तों, कामकाज के सिलसिले में या घूमने जाने के लिए हमें कई बार शहर से बहुत दूर जाना होता है और वहां जाकर होटल में कमरा भी किराए पर लेना होता है। होटल में कमरा लेने के लिए और अन्य जानकारियां प्राप्त करने के लिए हमें किस प्रकार बात करनी चाहिए, आइए इस स्टेप में सीखते हैं।
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I have just arrived from Delhi and looking for 3 days stays here. Can I get a room?
Sure, sir. What kind of accommodation you are looking at?
I would go for single occupancy and preferably an AC room.
Sure, sir. One moment, please. Sir, your room number is 305.
And what about my luggage?
I will ask porter to take it to your room. You be rest assured. What else can I do for you, sir?
Can I have some tea and snacks in my room?
Sir, will sandwiches be fine?
Fine. But I would prefer cheese sandwich.
वेटर आपके रूम में आकर चाय बनाने के लिए कुछ इस तरह से बोलेगा।
Shall I prepare tea for you, sir?
No thanks. Get me a mineral water bottle.
Sure, sir.
अगर आपको साइट सीन देखने जाना है तो आप होटल रिसेप्शनिस्ट से कुछ इस तरह से पूछ सकते हैं।
Hello. Do you have any facility for sightseeing in Shimla?
Certainly, sir. I will connect you to our travels desk. Just a moment.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I would like to go for sightseeing at Shimla. What are all the options available with you?
Sir, a hotel wagon leaves hotel at 9 in the morning, covers all the points and reaches hotel back at 6 in evening. If you wish, you can hire a taxi also.
I will prefer a taxi.
Sure, sir. What time do you want the taxi?
I would like to go for some shopping in the evening, and tomorrow I would go for sightseeing.
Fine, sir. Taxi would be waiting for you in the portico after half an hour.
Thanks. I'll be there.
लीजिए, देखते ही देखते हम सेट बुक के 6 चरण पार कर चुके हैं। पहली पुस्तक की सीखी गई शब्दावली का प्रयोग करके ही हम इतना आगे बढ़े हैं और दोस्तों अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम अपनी जांच करें। स्वयं की जांच स्वयं के द्वारा, इसलिए हमने इसे परीक्षा नहीं कहा है, इसे कहते हैं स्व आकलन। आइए तैयार हो जाइए, आज आपको रेलवे स्टेशन चलना है। कल्पना कीजिए कि आप अपने शहर की रेलवे स्टेशन की पूछताछ खिड़की पर खड़े हैं। यहाँ हो रही बातचीत में खुद को शामिल कर लीजिए।
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What can I do for you?
When is Dehradun Express arriving?
The scheduled time is 4 o'clock.
But it is already 15 minutes past 4. Still the signal isn't down.
I think the train is more than an hour late. We have already announced it.
I have not heard any such announcement. I'm at the station since last 10 minutes.
Perhaps announcement was made before you arrived. Let me see. Yes, at 3:55 sharp, 20 minutes back.
Do you make only verbal announcements?
No, we also write on the notice board. It's right in front of the office.
Don't you think announcements should be made at shorter intervals?
I can't answer this. If you like, you may ask ASM about it.
Well, when is the train coming now?
The situation says at 10 minutes past 5.
All right, thank you.
आइए अब देखें रेलवे स्टेशन पर काम आने वाले कुछ प्रश्न।
On which platform is the Shatabdi Express? When does Andhra Mail depart? Has Meerut Express departed? Has Meerut Express arrived? Will this train stop at Kanpur? Why is the train late? Where is the ticket counter? Where is the reservation counter? Is reservation available in Rajdhani Express on 10th? What is the waiting list number? Can you allot me a window seat? Can I get a return ticket here? Sir, how much I lose if I cancel the ticket?
सफर के दौरान होने वाली बातचीत से चंद वाक्य।
It is very cold. Would you mind closing the window? Sir, have we crossed Itasi? Sir, I have to get down. Could you wake me up if you're awake? Sir, it's midnight. Please switch off the light. I am sleepy.
आज हम एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं। हमें हवाई यात्रा जो करनी है, एयरपोर्ट अधिकारी से तो हम अंग्रेजी में ही बात करेंगे, तो डर किस बात का। चलिए।
When is the next flight to Mumbai? Is there any Air Sahara flight to Delhi now? When does it land at Delhi? When is the Jet Airways flight from Delhi expected?
आपको कहीं जल्दी से पहुंचना है तो आप कुछ इस तरह पूछेंगे।
I must be in Delhi this evening to attend an important meeting. If I miss it, I stand to a great loss. Please help me out, sir. Sir, I have to be in Delhi by this evening, before 6:30. I need your help in this regard.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय यात्रा करते समय हमें कुछ इस प्रकार की बातचीत की जानकारी होनी चाहिए।
Where is the immigration check counter? May I take my passport, please? How many US dollars will I get in exchange? How many British pounds will I get in exchange? Where do I check in for the Indian Airlines flight to Mumbai? Where do I collect my baggage? Where to ask for prepaid taxi? Can I keep this with me as hand baggage?
अब तक आपने आमने सामने के बहुत से संवाद सीखे। इन दिनों टेलीफोन पर बातचीत के कई अवसर मिलते हैं। टेलीफोन पर बातचीत का अंग्रेजी तरीका सीखिए। आइए देखिए, फोन बज रहा है।
Hello, is it
2557477?
Yes.
Is it Mr. Sharma's residence? Can I speak to Mr. Adarsh, please? Could I speak to Mr. Adarsh, please?
May I know who is speaking? May I know who is calling?
I'm Subhash, calling from Jaipur.
शहर की जगह अपनी कंपनी का नाम कुछ इस तरह से कहें।
I'm Rekha calling from Airtel office. Can I speak to Miss Sudha, please?
Yes, speaking.
Please be on the line. Just a minute, please. Please hold on. Would you please hold on? Sir, there is a call for you. Sir, Mr. Subhash is on the line. Sir, he is on the other line.
अगर व्यक्ति ऑफिस में नहीं है तो क्या-क्या कारण हो सकते हैं? आइए देखें।
Says out of station and will be back only next month. Sorry sir, he is on leave. He has gone out. Can I take any message? Anything to convey? Shall I ask him to call you back? Shall I ask him to contact you?
Please tell Rajesh that I called. Ask him to call me as soon as he returns.
He isn't here. Would you like to talk to his assistant?
No thanks. Please ask him to call at my residence. Ask him to call me. He knows my number.
अगर कॉल करने वाले का नंबर जानना जरूरी हो तो यूं पूछिए।
Your number please? Can I have your number please?
When he will be back? When is he returning?
Just a minute please. I'll find out whether he's available.
Can I speak to Mr. Rajiv?
Sir, nobody is here by that name.
आजकल अधिकांश माता पिता अपने बच्चों को अंग्रेजी माध्यम स्कूल में पढ़ाना चाहते हैं। बच्चे का एडमिशन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में करवाने के लिए स्वाभाविक है कि आपको बातचीत अंग्रेजी में करना आए। ये बातचीत किस प्रकार की जाती है, आइए देखते हैं।
Excuse me, sir. May I come in? My name is Ramesh. I have come here for my son Ankur's admission in your school.
In which standard?
I want to admit him in 5th standard.
How old is he?
He's 10 years old.
Where did he study earlier?
He studied in Gujarati school in Indore.
Why he is leaving that school?
We have shifted to our new residence in this area.
Have you taken the TC from that school?
Of course, sir. I have it here.
Okay, then let him appear for the entrance test.
Sure. When is it?
On 10th of this month.
Okay.
Please collect a brochure and application form from reception.
Okay, thank you.
He has done well in the exam.
Have you announced the entrance test results?
Yes, your son has been admitted in the school.
When is the last day for paying the fees?
15th June is the last date.
Do you have a school bus?
Yes, we have. But you will have to pay for it.
अगर आपको क्लास टीचर को अपना परिचय देना है तो यूं कहिए।
I'm Sudha, mother of Adarsh.
I'm Ruchi, class teacher of class 6th.
How is Adarsh studying? I have come to inquire about my son's performance in the class. How is he doing?
He's studying well, but he should work hard in maths.
दोस्तों, भगवान ना करे कभी आप बीमार पड़ें, लेकिन मामूली सर्दी जुकाम तो हो ही सकता है। ऐसे में आपको हॉस्पिटल भी जाना पड़ सकता है और डॉक्टर से बातचीत भी करनी पड़ सकती है। ये बातचीत अंग्रेजी में किस तरह से की जा सकती है, आइए देखते हैं।
Doctor, I'm suffering from fever. I have a bad cold. I feel giddy.
Since when? How do you feel now?
अपनी बीमारी के लक्षण कुछ इस तरह से बताइए।
I have a dull feeling. I'm feeling feverish. I have a burning sensation in my eyes. I have mouth sores. I don't have a good appetite. I have a very bad earache. My throat is a bit dry.
Okay. You will have to take these tablets for 3 days.
Should I take the tablets Before taking meals or after the meals?
After the meals.
डॉक्टर से अपनी तबीयत के बारे में कुछ इस तरह पूछे।
Doctor, what is the problem with me? What exactly is the disease? Is it serious? What should be my diet? How long should I take rest?
About 5 days rest is advisable.
अपनी रिपोर्ट लेने कब आना है, कुछ ऐसे पूछे।
When will I get the medical report? When can I collect the X-ray?
आप कब से अपना काम शुरू कर सकते हैं, ऐसे पूछे।
Can I go to work next week?
Definitely.
डॉक्टर की फीस के बारे में ऐसे पूछे।
How much should I pay?
Rupees 100 only.
आपके इंग्लिश गुरु चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ चुनौतीपूर्ण स्थितियों का सामना करें, जैसे कि इंटरव्यू देना। इंटरव्यू देना अपने आप में एक चुनौतीपूर्ण कार्य है, परंतु इस कार्य के लिए सामान्य बातचीत की तैयारी तो की ही जा सकती है ना? तो आइए शुरू करते हैं।
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Could you tell us something about yourself?
I am Rohit Raikwar. My father is Mr. Pramod Raikwar. I belong to a city called Jabalpur.
Have you done any computer course?
Sir, I have completed my advanced diploma in computers. Sir, I am a commerce graduate with a diploma in computer applications. Sir, I have completed my BSc and now I am doing my computer course.
Have you any previous experience?
Sir, I have 5 years of experience in computer accounting. I am afraid I have no experience.
You have no experience at all. How do you expect us to give you the job?
Sir, I agree with you that I have no experience, but I am a fast learner, sir.
How do you think you are fit for the job?
Sir, I have the necessary qualification and a lot of experience in this field, so I think I am fit for this job. Sir, this is not new to me. I have 8 years of experience in this field.
Are you working anywhere at present?
अगर आप किसी दफ्तर में काम कर रहे हैं तो कहें।
Yes, sir. I have been working in Infosys Technology as a software engineer for 3 years.
अगला सवाल अवश्य यही होगा।
Why do you want to leave the present job?
I want to leave that job for a better prospect. I am looking for a challenging job, sir.
Very good. What is your hobby?
Sir, I am fond of reading literary books.
Can you name some of your favorite writers?
Sure. Munshi Premchand, Nirala and R.K. Narayanan are some of them.
Have you seen any film based on Munshi Premchand's novel?
Yes, sir. It is Godan.
Thank you. You can go now.
दोस्तों, अभी तक आपने अलग अलग परिस्थितियों यानी सिचुएशंस में इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन करना सीखा है। आशा है कि इसका अभ्यास अच्छी तरह से चल रहा होगा। आगे बढ़ने से पहले ये जरूरी है कि हम सीखी गई बातों की पुनर्जांच करें, तभी तो पता चलेगा कि हम कितना आगे बढ़े हैं। इस चरण में आपको वोकैबुलरी टेस्ट करना है और उसके बाद हम कॉन्वर्सेशन टेस्ट करेंगे। दोस्तों, क्रिकेट विश्व का एक लोकप्रिय खेल है। हो सकता है कि ये खेल आपका भी पसंदीदा खेल हो। जो भी हो, हम ये मानते हैं कि क्रिकेट कभी ना कभी चर्चा का एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय बन जाता है। आइए इस विषय पर बातचीत में महारत हासिल करें।
Where are you going?
I'm going to play cricket today.
Mohan, you are a good friend of mine. Please tell me something about the cricket.
Oh, Hari, it is a simple game. Nowadays, everybody knows it. Come, let me tell you. Cricket is a national game of England. It is played with the help of ball, bat, stumps. It is played between two teams, each consisting of 11 members.
And umpires?
Yes, there are 2 umpires who monitor the game.
How does it start?
Hari, the umpire calls both the captains of the teams and decides with the help of tossing a coin. The toss-winning captain decides whether the team would bat or field first.
Various equipments are required in batting. So what are they?
Yes, the equipments are bat, pads, helmet, guards, etc. The team sends 2 opener batsmen for batting. Rest of the batting team members wait in the pavilion for their turn. The captain of the team is responsible to decide the order.
What is the role of the other team?
All the players of the team take their position at the field for fielding. One of the players starts throwing the ball and he is called the bowler. Another fielder takes position behind the stumps. He is called the wicket keeper. The bowler throws ball at the wicket and the batsman hits the ball with his bat before it touches the stumps.
What happens if the ball touches the stumps?
In that case, the batsman is out. When the batsman hits the ball, the fielder tries to catch it as early as possible. In the meantime, both the batsmen run on the pitch in opposite direction. If they complete running and take each other's position, the team scores 1 run.
How does the umpire declare some player run out?
Oh, it's simple. If the batsman starts running and he cannot reach the wicket in time and the fielder hits the stumps with the ball and the batsman is declared run out. The batsman tries to complete as many rounds as possible by running on pitch to score more and more runs.
It means for scoring 4 or 6 runs, the batsman has to run very fast?
Oh no! If the ball touches the boundary without being caught by the fielder, it automatically scores 4 runs. And the score is 6 if batsman hits the ball so powerfully that it goes beyond the boundary without touching ground in the field.
Is that all, or there are some other points too?
My dear, there are many more points which you will know when you start playing yourself. Come, let us play now.
दोस्तों, शॉपिंग एक काम भी है और आनंद भी। इन दिनों डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स और शॉपिंग मॉल्स का जमाना है। तरह तरह के विदेशी सामानों से हमारे बाजार भरे हुए हैं। हम भी शॉपिंग का आनंद लेना चाहते हैं और चाहते हैं कि सेल्समैन और सेल्स गर्ल की तरह फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश में बात करें। तो देर किस बात की, आइए सीखते हैं।
Please come in. What can I do for you?
I am looking for a nice gift for an 8-year-old boy.
Sure. How about a video game?
Is there some other option?
Why not? We have a number of electronic items and some good books too.
Please show me some educational CDs, if available.
Sir, this is a very good CD on spoken English for teenagers.
What is the price?
This will cost you rupees 150 only.
आप डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स में बार्गेन कुछ इस तरह से कर सकते हैं।
Is it a fixed price? Can't you reduce it?
No sir, we don't bargain. The price is fixed.
Okay. Please make it a gift pack.
Would you like to have anything else?
No thanks.
कल बाजार में घूमे और आज एक प्रेस खरीदनी है, तो आइए इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम्स की दुकान पर चलते हैं, दुकानदार से बातचीत करते हैं और सामान खरीदने के साथ साथ कुछ अन्य जानकारियां भी हासिल करते हैं।
Hello sir, how can I help you?
Show me some good iron.
Sure sir, please come to this counter. Have a look sir, this is the real good one.
I've heard of an iron in which we can fill water and spray during ironing. Please show me that one.
Sure sir, here is the one, but this is little expensive.
It's okay, but this is an electronic item. Does it bear ISI mark?
Certainly sir, here it is.
Can you guarantee this product?
Yes sir, this iron comes with 1-year guarantee.
What do you mean by 1-year guarantee?
Sir, if iron does not perform properly during 1 year, company will replace it.
Will replace it? What will company replace? Iron or damaged parts?
Sir, that will depend on company.
Look, you please give me all the information. This is a consumer's right.
Be rest assured, sir. Buy it. Trust me, you won't face any problem.
I hope so, but I'd like to have a look at guarantee card before buying it.
इस बात का ध्यान रखिए कि कभी-कभी दुकानदार आपको बातचीत में उलझाकर नकली सामान भी बेच सकता है, तो इस बात की सावधानी रखिए।
Sure, sir.
This card says it has warranty, not guarantee. You are giving me wrong information.
Oh, I am extremely sorry, sir. I didn't see this.
You should not lie to your customer.
I am really sorry. Please sit. I will get some cold drinks for you.
No thanks. Show me iron which has guarantee.
Sure, sir.
कॉलेज के कुछ दोस्त पिक्चर जाना चाह रहे हैं। वे कैसे बातचीत कर रहे हैं, जरा ध्यान से देखिए। किसी दिन आपको भी पिक्चर जाना हो सकता है अपने दोस्तों के साथ, तब आप भी इसी तरह बात करेंगे।
Hi Raj, how are you?
I'm fine, Swati. What about you?
I'm fit as a fiddle. What's new? You were not around from the last 2-3 days?
Yeah, I was out. I had been to my uncle's place.
Hey, tomorrow is Sunday. What's your program for tomorrow?
Oh yes, let's watch a movie.
Which movie? Do we have any new animation movie?
Yeah, Shrek. But I have watched that. Why don't we go for Lagero Munna Bhai?
Good idea. I've heard a lot about this movie.
After long, we have got such a good film, which carries a message too.
Okay then, let's watch this movie tomorrow.
How about 3 to 6 show?
Fine, but which theatre shall we go to?
I will suggest Cinemax.
Shall we ask Nishant, Abhinav and Nidhi to accompany us?
Fantastic idea. I will inform Nidhi and Abhinav. You contact Nishant.
Sure, but you reach theatre little early and buy the tickets so that we get good seats.
Okay, I will reach at 2:30 sharp, but you guys be there by 2:45. I will wait for you near ticket window.
Fine, we all will reach at time.
And one more thing, if there is any change in program, do let me know. Else, we will waste on money in buying tickets.
Sure, let's meet tomorrow. Bye.
एक ऑफिस के साथी किस प्रकार बातचीत करते हैं? वे आपस में कुछ पारिवारिक, कुछ ऑफिशियल, कुछ मिलीजुली बातें करते हैं। आप इनकी बातचीत को ध्यान से सुनिए, शब्दों और वाक्यों को सीखिए और इनका प्रयोग कीजिए।
Hi Ritesh, long time no see. Where have you been for all these days?
Hi Siddharth, I have been to my hometown to visit my parents.
Oh, that's good. Did you know anything about inward-outward registered for a post dispatch? Mr. Mehta was asking for it.
Inward-outward register? Let me check. I had kept it in this shelf before I left for my hometown.
Yeah, please. I need to check for a post which we received from Chopra and Chopra regarding tender number 0058115.
Just give me a moment. It must be here. And what all new happened in last 8 days when I was not around?
Oh, you might not be knowing then. Varun has been terminated.
Varun? Why?
GM realized that his sales figure were not showing any improvement. His last quarter sales were higher than this one.
Oh, but there could be some other reasons also.
I really have no clue. But management took this decision on last Thursday.
I'm really feeling sad for Varun. He is a nice man.
Yeah, and it has been nearly 3 years working together.
Any development regarding our new products?
Yes, the designs have been finalized. Now only final printing and packaging is left. Today GM is conducting a meeting with marketing and designing wing.
Oh, then you might be having a crucial day today.
Yes, I am to make the presentation and that's why I am looking for that register.
Don't worry, I will send it to your cabin. You please carry on with your preparation.
Thank you so much. Hi Rohit, where have you been? We need to meet GM at 3 today with designs.
I just went to canteen for some sandwiches. I'm sure meeting is going to be really long.
I should have done the same. Anyways, take the designs and the file and get ready for the presentation.
Yes, sir. Should I ask Vijay to accompany us as he had worked on the text part?
Yeah, I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
पिछले दिनों आपने शॉपिंग की। अब आइए उस स्थिति से निपटिए जिसमें आपका कोई उपकरण बिगड़ गया है और आप किसी वेल्डर को बुलाना चाहते हैं, अपनी समस्या बताना चाहते हैं। आइए इनकी बातचीत सुनिए और देखिए ये किस प्रकार अपनी समस्या को हल कर रहे हैं।
Hello, is it computer shop? Can I talk to technical person?
Yes, how can I help you?
Please send someone at my place. My computer is giving me some trouble.
Okay, sir. He will reach at your home in half an hour. Please give me your address.
Sure. Please note it down. 201B, Silver Oaks, MG Road, Pune 1. My computer is giving me trouble in booting.
Did you install any new part recently?
No, I didn't.
Okay, let me check. Is your PC still under warranty?
Yes, I had purchased it 2 months back.
Okay.
It was working fine in the morning, but now it doesn't work.
Have you changed anything in your PC recently?
No, but I had accidentally pulled a cable loose from the back of PC.
Have you opened up your PC at any time?
No, not at all.
Let me plug in all the cables once again and restart the PC. When I'm pressing the key, the keyboard is not responding.
I find myself frustrated by the way my PC has slowed down.
What is the storage capacity of your hard disk?
120 GB.
I think you've entered the commands incorrectly while installing. That's why the computer is not responding.
No, I didn't do anything of that sort.
Okay, now your computer is working.
Thanks for your help. There is one file which is not opening. Could you please check it?
Okay, sure. Your file is very heavy. It needs more space.
Okay.
Okay, I've opened your file and repaired the computer. Shall I leave?
Sure, thanks.